Alright, so I got some good news and some bad news. Bad news is I no longer have my beam swapped MR2. Good news is now I have a beam swap AE86. So let's check that out real quick. So this is it right here, my new car. I did a straight trade for my MR2 for this. As you can see, it has 11 front end, some nice Advan wheels, and I just put these tires on, Bridgestone Potenza RE71Rs. And yeah, this thing is super clean. Interior is all complete, clean, black, cokey I think, and 6-speed. I got the hood popped, we'll show you in a sec. So let's see what else. It's got the Koki Redline taillights, Koki JDM bumper, and I think this is like a Rocky Bunny style spoiler, wing, whatever you call it. And it looks okay to me, but honestly I want the stock wing. Yeah, this thing is so clean for an 8.6. So now let's see what's under the hood. This is probably the best part. It's got the 3 SGE beam swap. Just like my MR2 had, except this one is the black top one, so it has dual VVTi and is made for a rear-wheel drive car. It's a pretty clean swap. Panic wire did the harness, and yeah, pretty fun car. And I don't think you can see this, but the suspension is pretty worked up too. A lot of T3 stuff. Has a COS 2-way LSD. So this was like a autocross car. And so, but for me, I think I just want to daily it, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll do some hot laps on the ridge. We'll see. I got this 8.6 like right at the perfect time too, because today is actually a car show called the Old School Reunion, and it's like a bunch of old cars, 88 or older, Japanese or Euro, meeting up. And since this car is an 87, I'm eligible, so that's cool. So I'll be bringing the 1186. The Z is coming along too, and then Andre Z is coming too, and he should be meeting us up here. I don't know where he's at right now, but we'll just wait for him, then we'll be on our way. So I guess for now, I can show a little more of the 8.6, I guess. Let's check out underneath here. So I got BC coilovers, T3 panhard bar, and as I said earlier, has a COS 2-way LSD. New brakes, hawk pads. Let's look in the interior a little better. So it's got the IS300 pedals, and I was able to keep my steering wheel from my MR2. Koki black interior, all clean in here. Well, there's a tiny little crack there, but it's not bad at all. Look who's here. Say hi.
Hi.
So what happened to your car?
Blew up. So yes, he gave me injectors about 3 years ago. Yes, they were mint, and basically these tubes just degraded over time. And yeah, I went ahead and started it yesterday and sprays fuel everywhere.
And I saw you like open up your fuel filter.
Yes, I have a rusty fuel tank, and I just wanted to see how much rust is in there.
Ooh.
And there's a lot. So.
But it runs good now?
Yes, runs good. Ready to go. Clean. My my neighbors were like, "What the fuck are you doing?" That's what I was
Whose car looks better?
both red.
This red?
Look at that red car.
Or this red?
Oh,
No, they're both nice.
hold on.
So,
What about now? What about now?
I guess we're gonna get some food,
Yes.
and then we'll see you at the show. All right, so we made it here. Yeah. We got 1Z there, 1Z, and then the 86. It's just so crazy. I got this car like 2 days ago, and I'm in a show already. So I guess we'll go walk around here. Oh yeah, the show's not even open yet, so we'll walk around here in a bit. Ooh.
The grass makes my car lower a little bit.
Look at these guys popping or open their hoods. Well, I got mine popped too, but. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. Is this tuned on pump gas? Is this tuned on pump gas?
Yes. Tune up pump gas.
Oh wow.
Nice motor, bro.
86 and 86? They look almost identical.
Good job, right there.
Still got cars rolling in. How is this bird not flying away? That's cool. Man, I miss my W11. Black on this car looks awesome. Ooh, we got people looking at my car already.
Nice first one, there's Jay-Z.
Ooh.
It's a converted Jay-Z.
Look at this guy, Terminator, with the sunglasses. Got a Mitsubishi stereo on here with a Jay-Z. Old Celica. Here you go, 2002 Turbo.
That's pretty cool.
Man, you should get one of these. What is this, M5? Here you go, we got an old school Celica. But look at the engine. It's F20 swapped. It's crazy what kind of engines people put in like any car. It's a clean 86. Ooh. Nicely done 16 valve 4AG. Another 86 and an AW11. That's a cool combo. Man, I got a thing for these old Celicas. Especially this one. This thing looks so nice. This purple is perfect on the work equipable ones. This thing is crazy. Can you paint like that?
Yes, I can.
I need paint just like this.
I've noticed that it's one of this.
Toyota Starlet on some MK1s. Ooh, it's 4AG swap too. What else we got? T72 Corolla.
Oh no.
Datsun 510. I like these old cars. They have these cool colors on them. Cool. K24 swap too. Dang, we got a bagged Mercedes over here. You literally can't even see the wheel. Or you can't even see like half the wheel. And he's got these cutouts here too. Wait, actually there's no floor in here. Wow. How do you drive that?
Yes.
Wait, this is a Toyota engine.
Yeah.
What? The 22R, I think? Wow. And an old Mercedes. Love this color. It looks black, but then when you get closer, it just turns purple. That's sick. And then we got a poop brown Datsun Z here, but with an RB26. Kind of a sleeper.
And you still have room to work.
It's a supercharged rotary and a SARX7.
If you, I like the Redline.
Alright, back to the Corolla, and these guys are parked behind me now. We got the front-wheel drive AE92, and then a supercharged AW11 4AG. Man, yeah, I do miss my AW11. Well, I just met Riley from Backyard Built. He's that tall guy over there, but yeah, he loves the car, so that's cool. Let's walk around some more and see what else is here. It's kind of towards the end of the show, so some cars have left. I'm sad that I missed the Hakoska Skyline that was parked right here next to the Green Z, but yeah, oh well. So what else we got here? I don't know anything about these German cars, but this Volkswagen looks sweet. Corvette style shooters. A couple of Cressidas over there. MK2 Supra. Wide body Rabbit. There you go. Old school Corolla. I don't know if this is the mango or the, what was the other one? The peanut? I don't know the meaning behind those names, but that's what they're called, I guess. Turbo wagon. Some old RX-7s.
It's this thing. The plate had like, I don't know, warped. Got too hot.
Couple old Civics. This thing has a 1.7 liter swap out of a newer Civic. That's the stock one. But this thing is like wide body, and it's got a B series swap. This is out of like a Integra or something.
Type R?
No, I don't know.
Oh, the Integra.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's get a good look at this. The wheels are really nice. It's crazy how similar these two cars are. So that's a BMW E30, and then that's a Toyota Corolla T72. They look the same. Almost identical. Celica GT4 with the 3S GTE. This is probably the funkiest Subaru I've ever seen. Subaru XT with flip lights. Turbo too. lifted E30 truck.
Oh, did I didn't tell
Pretty
you
unique build. Another Celica, what?
on Wednesday? It's 6:10, and I realized my pressure plate is back.
Here you go, Andre. Some lattes.
Oh.
Brings back memories, right?
Know all this shit.
You guys are
Pretty clean Z here. Like a real deep maroon? I don't know what color that is. Some nice 811 here. And no idea what this is. Ooh, another supercharge. I think this is a Datsun 280Z or a Z car, whatever. Has the same windshield, but I don't know. They made it look like a British car now. It's got a V8.
Why people are leaving already?
Another crazy Z. Look at that diffuser. Something I've never seen on the road is a first gen Toyota Supra. And there's two here. Another car you never see on the road. It's a Mazda RX-3. Is that a Frisbee under? Oh.
God damn you!
This might be the craziest Honda Civic I've ever seen. So it's wide body, and it's got a V6 back here. I think it's a 3.5 liter. That's crazy. This looks OEM too. I don't know. I have no idea. Austin Healey, I think. Honda Integra, Acura Integra with the tofu sticker from Initial D. Another tofu car. Well, everyone's leaving, it's starting to rain, and I guess that's our time to go. So, yeah. Yeah, we got a looks on these cars, huh? Everyone liked the Corolla and everyone liked the Zs, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, I guess that's a successful first show for the Corolla. So, yeah, we're gonna take off now, and we will be building this Corolla. So expect more videos of that.